Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making super easy chili. So to start, we're going to heat our pan to medium-high heat, and we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth, and then we're going to add 1 large onion that has been chopped, as well as a pound of carrots that have been chopped. And we're going to cook our onions and carrot mixture until they're soft and the onions start to look a little translucent. Next I'm going to add about a pound of ground beef, and we're going to cook our beef until it's thoroughly cooked. Depending on the type of beef you get, you want to drain your fat after the beef has had a chance to cook. I'm also going to add some seasoning while the beef is cooking. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 2 pinches of red pepper flakes. If you like it a little hotter, go ahead and add more, as well as 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Once our beef is done cooking, I'm going to add our tomatoes. So we're going to add a can of tomato paste, 16 ounces of tomato sauce, and then 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. Also going to add 2 cups of water. I like to add the water to the tomato cans and just make sure I'm getting all the tomatoes out of the cans and into our dish. And I'm also going to add 3 cans of kidney beans. I like to mix dark kidney beans and light kidney beans. You can do whatever you like. And then just let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes until all the flavors have had a chance to mix together. And here's the finished product. Super easy chili. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.